Hello, everyone. A very good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending on where you have tuned in. And welcome to this webinar on climate altering approaches and the Arctic. Thank you all for giving us some of your time to join this event. My name is Zheng, and I'm the Outreach Officer with the Carnegie Climate Governance Initiative, C2G. It's a pleasure to be the moderator of this event, and I'm very much looking forward to our discussion today. To explore why it is important to discuss climate altering approaches in the Arctic, why their governance is important, what the key governance challenges are, and how those might be addressed in the Arctic context. We have three fantastic speakers with us today who will bring their knowledge and insights on these issues. Now, I'd like to invite each of them to do a brief self-introduction. Pam, perhaps we can start with you.
Yes, my name is Pam Pearson. I'm the director of the International Cryosphere Climate Initiative, which works on science and policy related to cryosphere regions, ice and snow regions of the Earth, including the Arctic. And I'm a former US diplomat and climate negotiator.
Okay, Doug?
I am Doug MacMartin at Cornell University, and I've been working on the physical sciences, primarily aspects of these technologies for at least a decade.
Thank you, Ilona.
Hello, my name is Ilona Mettiäinnen. I'm PhD candidate and visiting researcher at the Arctic Center of the University of Lapland in Finland. So I'm an environmental social scientist specialized in the Arctic region. And I've studied, for instance, subnational climate change strategies in the Arctic and climate services. And I've been involved in research on climate altering approaches since 2016. Thanks for inviting me to participate.
Thank you again for joining us today. Before getting started with the main discussion, I would like to introduce very briefly about who we are and what we are trying to achieve. C2G is a small and foundation-funded initiative. Our mission is to catalyze the creation and strengthening of governance frameworks for climate altering approaches, in particular of solar radiation modification and large-scale carbon dioxide removal. C2G is impartial with regard to the potential use or not of any of these proposed approaches or technologies. Those are the choices to be made by the society as a whole. On the other hand, C2G wishes to contribute to and encourage society-wide discussions on those challenging issues. As part of these efforts, we have launched a series of online events called C2GLearn, with the participation of more than 50 leading experts from around the globe. C2GLearn is organized in themes designed for those who are new to the issues and those who already know the basics and want to explore further. They're organized in different formats, webinars, and campfire chats. You can find more detailed information on our website. Then a few words about the mechanics. During the next about 70 minutes, we will firstly play the pre-recorded presentations prepared by our speakers, and then we will open a Q&A session. Our participants may type in your questions in the Q&A box of the Zoom interface. Do mention the name of the speaker if your question is directed to a particular speaker. Please be short and clear. Only those questions relevant to the theme of the webinar will be considered. We will, of course, try to answer as many questions as we can during the Q&A session. You may vote for the questions you like, as the most popular questions have higher chances of being addressed. So now let's play the pre-recorded presentations, and I will see you in a while.